that you're on. Almost got it. Almost got it. 20K.
We have a minute.
More DPS, more DPS, more. It's just stopped wiggling completely. And then just reset on my side. Oh, now it's wiggling again.
I'm shooting. I think it goes by a little bit faster when you shoot. What are you shooting?
Dumping ammo into it. AR. I have some gray ARs. I'm just burning the ammo on. Okay, back to smacking it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do one clip of it. I'm doing one clip of an AR. Shit, it's here.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. 9K. 9.4. 8.6. Let's go, dude. We're so close. Take a little bit of damage. A little bit of damage. It's okay.
What if we? Dude, it's gotta be 2 chug jugs, right? If we don't get anything from this, man, I'm quitting the game.
No way, we have to win this one.
I mean, like the game, dude, like Fortnite.
Oh, like you're done with Fortnite? Well, we got.
Hey, wait, hold on. Ready.
How much metal do you have?
72.
I have 54. I got bandages.